Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change recycle bin icon on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Like this recycle bin icon, this is the Kirby recycle bin icon guys. It works like this one. This is the full one and the empty one. You just need to empty it and refresh the desktop. This is the empty one. For that you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video guys. You just want to scroll down and preview available themes. In here you just want to select whatever you want it. I'm gonna do it for French fries guys in this video. Do the same thing for anything listed over here. Select view icons. In here you just need to download this empty file and full guys. Click one by one and download it guys. Click on download and download it. Go back to this folder and download the full icon and select download it. And after getting download done, you just want to right click on the start icon, select settings, and now you just want to select the personalization on the left side. Right side you just want to select themes. You just want to scroll down and select desktop icon settings. In here in full recycle bin you just need to select the full icon guys. For that, browse on it, click on change icon and browse on it and select the French fries full icon and select open it and select OK. And the empty recycle bin you just need to place the empty French fries icon guys. For the change icon, select browse and select empty French fries and select open it. And for save changes you just want to select apply and OK. After saving changes, now it's work good guys, but now this is working manually guys. As you can see, now you just need to right click on it and select empty file, and now we just want to refresh the desktop guys, then only that get changed. Let's change it automatically guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it, click on as. Now check my video description for this registry used in my video, copy and paste it in. Paste in the URL page and select paste it in, press enter. In right side you just need to select three values and one by one just need to comma 0, type comma 0 at the last of the value and select OK. The same thing for this three items over here, comma 0 and select OK. Everything said that you just need to go back, close out of here as well. Now it's work good guys. Now as you can see, right click on it and select empty recycle bin and as that works automatically. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.